Boba making machine can be used to make boba, tangyuan, tapioca balls, etc. First, you need to put dry flour in the front and the rear feed hoppers of the machine. Dry flour is to prevent the boba from sticking. Then, put the dough in the feed hopper in the middle of the machine. The dough is pressed by a pressure roller to become a dough cake. After the cutter and plasticity, it is made into boba. A machine can only make one side of boba. The diameter of boba is between 6 to 30 millimeters. The whole machine is made of 304 stainless steel. Output is 20 to 25 kg per hour. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this boba making machine, please contact us.